Viewers, I worked as manager customer experience in one of the leading multinationals, and over there we were receiving 40,000 complaints per day. I have analyzed 1 million complaints throughout the years. We were also receiving the complaints from PTA, the email complaints, the complaints which we used to receive from our customer service staff. I have found one thing, and that is people do not know how to complain. Whenever people complain, they talk more about the negative feelings they have for the company, the negative feeling they have for a person, instead of focusing on their objective. The first thing you must understand from this video is that whenever you complain someone, your objective is that the company should solve your problem. Your objective is that some other person, if his behavior is invoking you, if he is taking some action against you, your objective is to stop it. Okay, but what mistake people make is that they, instead of stopping him, they create a new war. They hit ego of other person. So this is something which you need to take care, that whenever you're writing a complaint, you read it again and you look into it, that will it push other person to solve my problem. This is the first thing you need to keep in mind. The second thing I wanted to share is that I started my journey from Ufone. I was there as executive churn and loyalty, and we were dealing with the call center employees, and I worked as a call center agent back in 2011. So I know the people who are sitting on the front desk. Whenever you meet a person at front desk in customer service, you are writing some email to them, you are talking to them on phone. I request you to think about one thing, that is that the person talking to you, his job is only to talk to you, to register your complaints. That's it. He is not policy owner, he is not the founder of the company, he is not someone who can give you real-time solution immediately. He can give you information, he can take some slight actions through his computer, but he is not the owner of the company, he is not the CEO, he is not an executive. So be kind to him. Be kind to him. If you talk to him with respect, never ever disrespect these people, because they are receiving more than 100, more than 200 messages per day. They are receiving more than 200 calls per day. So be kind to them. After you end your call, they will receive another call. These people have a normal life. They go home, they talk to their family, and then they talk to the 200 people on the call, and they do not know who is on the back side of the phone and what he is saying. So always be kind to the person to whom you are registering your complaint. You can criticize the department. Let's say if your network is not working, then it's not fault of the person you are registering your complaint, it's fault of the network team. So whenever you talk to them, the point I'm trying to tell you, whenever you write an email, you write clearly that this is my situation. I request you to the person who is receiving this message to send it to the relevant department. If you are on call, you request the customer service agent, sir, please send my complaint to the relevant department. After making sure that your problem exists, and then I will come to the third point. Then in most of the cases, as I said earlier, that we do not know that the problem is from our end. And here's what the good listening comes. If you have sent an email to someone, if you are sent a complaint to someone, read their message, read their response, what they are saying. If you're talking to them on phone, listen to them. Chances are that they will tell you something which will be useful for you, because they are receiving every day the complaint about the problem which you are facing. Might be they have talked more than 10 people before you called them, or before you sent them the email. So listen to them. Whenever people complain, they do not listen. So small listening to anyone can solve your problem. This is what I wanted to share with you regarding the complaints. If you find it useful, please share it with others. I hope after watching this video, you will be able to write better complaints. Thank you so much.